A long time ago,
Dahulu kala,
an old man
seorang lelaki
lived
tua
in a
tinggal di
small
sebuah
village in
desa
the
kecil di
mountains
pegunungan,
in the middle of
di tengah-tengah
China.
daratan Cina.
He had a son
Ia memiliki
that he
seorang
loved
anak
very much.
laki-laki yang sangat ia
But
cintai.
this son
Namun
was a
anak ini
student in a
adalah seorang
city
siswa di sebuah
very
kota
far
yang
from
sangat
his
jauh
father's
dari desa
village.
ayahnya.
And so
Jadi,
the old man
lelaki tua itu
lived
hidup
and
dan
worked
bekerja
alone.
sendirian.
Every day
Setiap
he
hari,
worked for
ia
long
bekerja
hours on his
berjam-jam
farm.
di ladangnya.
There was always a
Selalu
lot
ada
to
banyak
do there.
hal yang harus dilakukan di sana.
He was a kind,
Ia
friendly
adalah
man.
seorang pria yang ramah
And
dan
all
baik
the
hati.
people in the
Semua
village
orang
liked
di
him.
desa menyukainya.
They knew that the
Mereka
old
tahu
farmer
bahwa
needed
petani
the
tua
help
itu
of his
membutuhkan
son,
bantuan
a
dari
strong
putranya,
young man
seorang
who
pemuda
was
yang
not
kuat
afraid
dan
of hard
pekerja
work.
keras.
But the old farmer
Tapi petani
never
tua itu tidak
complained.
pernah mengeluh satu kali pun.
The villagers often
Para
came
penduduk
over to
desa
the old
sering
man's
datang ke
house
rumah lelaki tua itu
and told him how
dan
sorry
mengatakan
they were
betapa mereka
that his
merasa
son
kasihan
was not
karena
there to help
putranya
him.
tidak di sana membantu.
When will your son come back
Kapan
home?
putramu akan pulang?
It's bad luck
Hidup
for you
sendiri
to
itu
live
sial,
alone, so
jauh
far
dari
away
anak
from your
satu-satumu,
only son.
They said,
kata para penduduk.
but the old farmer
Tapi
always
petani tua
replied
itu
in the
selalu
same
menjawab dengan
words.
kata-kata yang sama.
Bad luck
Nasib
or good
buruk
luck?
atau nasib baik,
Who
siapa
knows?
yang tahu? Kemudian suatu
the old
hari,
man's son
putra lelaki tua
came
itu
back to the
kembali ke
village.
desa.
The people in the
Orang-orang
village
di
were
desa
very
sangat
happy
senang
for
untuk
the old
lelaki tua
man,
itu,
and
dan
they all
mereka
came to
semua
his
datang ke
house.
rumahnya.
Now that your
Sekarang karena
son has
putramu
come
sudah
back,
kembali,
your
rumahmu
house
akan
will be
penuh
full
dengan
of good
keberuntungan
luck
lagi,
again.
They said,
kata para penduduk.
but the old
Namun,
farmer
lelaki
only
tua itu hanya
smiled
tersenyum dan
and
menjawab,
replied,
nasib baik
Good luck
atau nasib
or
buruk,
bad luck? Who
siapa
knows?
yang tahu?
people knew that the
Orang-orang tahu
farmer was a
bahwa
man who
petani itu
used
adalah orang yang
few
sedikit
words.
berbicara.
They didn't ask
Mereka
him
tidak
what he
bertanya
meant
apa
when
yang
he
ia
said
maksud
things
dengan
like this.
kata-kata seperti itu.
Life was hard in
Hidup
the
itu
village,
sulit di desa.
and nearly
Dan hampir
everybody
semua orang
there
di
was
sana
poor.
itu miskin.
But the old
Namun,
farmer and his
petani
son
tua dan putranya
were not as
tidak
poor as
semiskin
some
beberapa
others.
orang lainnya.
They had a
Mereka
horse,
memiliki seekor
and on
kuda,
a farm,
dan di
a
sebuah
horse
ladang,
can do the
seekor
work
kuda
of
bisa
4
melakukan
men.
pekerjaan 4 orang.
But one morning,
Namun satu
the
pagi,
farmer's son
putra petani itu
left the stable
meninggalkan
door
pintu
open,
kandang terbuka,
and the
dan
horse
kudanya
ran away.
kabur.
The son
Putranya
felt
merasa
terrible.
sangat bersalah.
What have I
Apa yang telah
done?
aku lakukan?
Work on the farm
Bekerja di
without a
ladang
horse
tanpa seekor
will be
kuda akan
really
sangat
hard.
sulit.
What will we
Apa yang
do
akan kita
now?
lakukan sekarang?
He asked his
Tanya sang
father,
putra kepada ayahnya.
and the people of the
Dan orang-orang
village
desa
again felt
merasa kembali
sorry for the old
merasa
farmer
kasihan
and
kepada
his
petani tua
son.
itu dan putranya.
This is
Ini
very
benar-benar hal
bad
buruk,
luck.
They all said,
kata mereka.
but again,
Namun,
the old
lagi-lagi,
farmer smiled
petani
quietly.
tua itu tersenyum dengan
He didn't look
dia
worried
tidak
about
terlalu
the
khawatir
horse.
dengan kuda itu.
Bad luck
Nasib baik
or good
atau
luck?
nasib buruk,
Who
siapa yang
knows?
tahu, katanya.
He said. That
Sore
afternoon,
itu,
some people
beberapa
in the
orang di
village
desa mengira
thought
mereka
that they saw
melihat
the
kuda
old
lelaki
man's
tua itu
horse
berlari
running across the
melintasi
hills
di
near
bukit
the
dekat
farm.
ladang.
So that
Jadi di
evening,
malamnya,
the son went to
putranya
look
pergi
for it.
mencarinya.
After
Setelah
a few
beberapa
hours,
jam,
he
ia
found their
menemukan kuda
horse
mereka
quietly
sedang makan
eating
rumput dengan
grass
tenang di
next to a
samping
wild
seekor kuda
horse.
liar.
The son was
Kemudian
able to
putranya
bring both
berhasil membawa kedua
horses
kuda itu kembali
back
ke
to his
ladang
father's
ayahnya.
farm. When the people of the
Ketika
village
orang-orang
heard
desa
this
mendengar
news,
berita ini,
they were very
mereka sangat
happy
senang
for the
untuk
farmer.
awalnya kamu
First,
hanya
you
memiliki
had
seekor
one
kuda.
horse.
Lalu
Then you
kemudian
had
kamu
no
tidak memiliki
horse.
apa-apa.
Now
Sekarang
you have
kamu
two
memiliki dua
horses.
kuda.
They
Mereka
shouted
bersorak.
happily.
Your good luck has
Keberuntunganmu
come
kembali
back
lagi.
again.
Namun,
But
si
the
petani
old
tua itu
farmer
hanya
just
tersenyum dan
smiled his
berkata,
quiet smile and said,
nasib baik atau nasib
Good
buruk,
luck or bad
siapa yang
luck?
tahu.
Who knows?
Putranya sangat
The son liked
menyukai
the new horse very
kuda
much,
baru itu. Dan ia
and he
memutuskan
decided
untuk
to
menjinakkannya.
tame it.
Be
Berhati-hatilah,
careful, son.
Kamu sudah
You've
tinggal di
lived
kota
in the
selama
city for
bertahun-tahun.
many years.
Kamu tidak tahu
You
banyak
don't
tentang
know
bagaimana
very
cara
much
menjinakkan
about
kuda
taming
liar.
wild
Kata
horses.
petani tua itu
Said the
dengan
old
cemas.
farmer worriedly.
Jangan khawatir, ayah.
Don't worry,
Aku tahu
Father.
apa yang kau
I
lakukan.
know what I'm
Jawab
doing.
putranya.
replied the son.
Ketika sudah menggunakan
When
kuda
I've
ini,
tamed this
kita akan
horse,
memiliki dua
we'll
kuda
have
untuk
2
membantu
horses
kita di
to
dalam.
help us
Dan
on the
hidup
farm.
kita akan lebih
And
baik.
life will be
Namun
better.
keesokan harinya, putra
But the
laki
next
itu
day,
jatuh dari
The
punggung
old
kuda liar
man's son
ke tanah dan
fell
kakinya
from the
patah.
wild horse's back to the ground and broke his
Sekarang
leg.
ini menjadi
Now this was a big
pria dengan
problem.
kaki yang patah
A
butuh
man with a
makan,
bad leg
tapi tidak dapat
needs to
bekerja.
eat, but cannot work.
Sekali lagi, orang-orang di desa
Once
datang ke
again,
rumah petani
the
itu
people of the
dan
village
menyatakan belas
came to the
kasihan
farmer's
mereka.
house to say how sorry they were.
Awalnya, putramu ada di kota
First,
dan tidak ada
your
yang
son was
membantu.
in the city, and there was no one to help him.
Kemudian, putramu kembali untuk
Then
membantu.
your son came back
Sekarang,
to help you.
putramu patah
Now
kakinya
your
dan
son
kamu
has
harus
broken his
membantunya.
leg, and you must help
Keberuntungan
him.
buruk untukmu.
Your bad
Kembali,
luck has
kata
come
mereka.
back.
Sekali
They said.
lagi, sang petani
Once
itu
again,
tersenyum
The
dengan senang dan
father
menjawab,
smiled quietly and replied,
nasib baik atau nasib buruk.
Bad luck
Siapa yang
or
tahu?
good luck? Who knows?
Beberapa orang di desa terkejut
Some
mendengar
of
hal
the
ini.
villagers were
Di mana
surprised to hear this.
keberuntungan baik dalam
Where
berpatahnya
was the
kaki
good
dari
luck in
putramu?
breaking your leg?
Pada saat itu di Cina,
At that
ada
time in
perang
China,
panjang dan
there was a
mengerikan
long
antara
and
timur dan
terrible
barat
war
di negara itu.
between the east and
Setiap
west of the
minggu,
country.
ratusan pemuda
Every
mati
week,
dalam perang ini.
hundreds of young men
Suatu
died
hari,
in this war.
Beberapa tentara
One
datang ke
day,
desa.
some soldiers arrived in the village.
Mereka mencari lebih banyak pria
They
untuk
were
berperang
looking for
bersama
more
mereka.
men to fight with them.
Semua pemuda di desa harus menjadi
All the
tentara
young men
di
in the village
angkatan darat
had to become
pergi
soldiers
berperang.
in the army and leave for the war.
Keluarga mereka menangis ketika
Their
mereka
families
mengucapkan selamat
cried
tinggal.
when they said
Mereka
goodbye.
tahu bahwa
They
banyak dari
knew
pemuda ini
that
akan
many of
mati
these
dalam
young
beberapa
men
hari.
would be dead in a few
Namun,
days.
para tentara
But
meninggalkan
the
putra
soldiers
petani itu.
left the old farmer's son
Apa sih
behind.
gunanya seorang prajurit dengan
What good
kaki
to an
yang
army
patah
was a
pagi?
soldier with a bad leg?
Sekarang, orang-orang desa
Now the
mengerti
villagers
kata-kata petani itu.
understood the old farmer's
Kemudian,
words.
mereka pergi menemuinya.
They went to see him.
Putramu tidak harus pergi
Your
bersama para
son
tentara
didn't have
karena
to go
kakinya
with the
patah.
soldiers because he broke his
Benar
leg.
bahwa nasib burukmu berubah
It's
menjadi
true that your
keberuntungan.
bad luck changed into good
Kata
luck,
mereka,
they said,
karena
happy
mereka
that
akhirnya
they
memahami
understood the
kata bijak
old
petani
farmer's
itu.
wise words. The
Petani
old
itu
farmer
tersenyum ramah
smiled
kepada
kindly
mereka.
at them.
Nasib baik atau
Good
nasib
luck
buruk,
or bad
siapa yang
luck,
tahu?
who
Jawabnya.
knows? He answered.